Alright, so today I'm going to take that steering box. Since it didn't have one, it had this rack and pinion, which is right there. We're going to take and put a steering box. This is off like a 94-ish, I think, Toyota truck. And we're going to put it right there on the side of the frame. But I'm going to plate this frame with 1/4 inch just so it's tougher and it'll hold up everything that needs to hold. So it's a project for the day. Hopefully by tonight it'll be steering. I have to take that bolt out. The thing is smack dab in the road. Because it's gonna have to get cut clear off to get the steering box back where it needs to go. That ear's gonna have to get trimmed, and I'll have to mount the radiator some other way, but it's plastic and there's not many ways to mount it. Okay, that's where it needs to be now. There's those. That's going to be interesting. Those are our holes in the frame. As you can see, this bottom one is not touching much, but we're going to put some plate on it and get it. We're going to cut these out and put pipes through the frame so it won't collapse it, and we'll put one clear through the bottom so it'll hold it. Should be good. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to try to cut a piece of this cardboard to match that frame. Alright, we cut that out, it will fit our dimensions. Okay, now we can go over to the truck and figure out how to turn this into our template. Good thing about cardboard, it's cheap and easy. If this doesn't work, we'll just cut another one out. We should be able to set that in there. Should be able to trim that and make it look like it's supposed to look. Says in the fine print, that will work. Okay. And then the other side will be exactly the same, minus the holes. Yep. Now I gotta drill these holes and put some pipe through the frame. Okay, before we drill those holes, we gotta get pipe figured out. I'm getting the pins that go through my frame to hook my steering box on. These are the little links that keep the frame from crushing. I didn't have any pipe that was right, so I took some 1-inch round stock and we drilled a hole through it.
We got Darwin here today, Papa Dar.
...2003 SARS was going to kill us all.
It's easier to get the valve stem in and out with the right tool.
2005 the bird flu was going to kill us all.
Hold one of them against the back, we're going to get them there.
2006 the economy was going to kill us all. 2009 the flying squirrel was going to kill us all. 2010 BP oil was going to kill us all. 2012 the Mayan calendar was going to kill us all. 2014 the Ebola virus was going to kill us all.
She broke into that cabin. That's where they found her. She was about to freeze to death.
2016 the Zika virus was going to kill us all.
There was an inch and a half of snow.
Yeah.
2020 the coronavirus is going to kill us all, but really, fear is killing you. Turn off your TV.
What'd you guys just do at your shop?
Throw them bushes out on the lathe.
Because we don't have a lathe at the moment. One day. Baby steps.
I'm about to break it. We'll see. It may be straight enough. Oh no. So what just happened before that is...
Now this bushing is supposed to fit right in there.
Yeah, is I bent the drill bit. Hey, look at that. Something worked out. Ooh.
Just right.
Okay, well, if I leave that other bushing in there, the drill bit will be straight.
Oh, it's pretty straight now.
It is because that piece of metal's holding it straight.
Okay.
My problem was is I went too quick right here and it jumped up.
Oh, come up.
Yeah, I got a little overexcited and...
Pull the head out to get them out.
Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna. We'll find it later. Okay. That's supposed to set there like that. Don't much like it. Because it's not lined up where I want it to be. Okay.
It looks like it needs to go up a little bit.
It does the back. It's going to be pretty close.
Like a glove.
Like a glove. Let's see if we can bend this. Well, I guess that's where it is. Got the holes drilled. Frame plate is setting on there. That's what the underside looks like. One of them, the hole for the thing was low, so we had to come through it. But the steering box should bolt on. We'll weld her up. now what? Oh, don't talk until I have the camera.
Did that almost get you?
No. No, when it almost gets you, it like flings things around and you have to check to see if you still have your fingers.